Hey, it's John from Addicted to Blades. Today I'm going to take a look at this 7-inch folding knife from Ozark Trail. Stainless steel blade. Polypropylene handle. Korean stainless steel blade, 4-inch polypropylene handle, shaft lock, and pocket clip. I'm going to use this OTF utility blade to open it up with. Got the tip protector there. Feels nice and light. Nice looking blade. Nice lines. Nice drop point. Nice hollow grind on it. Thumb studs. Deep pocket carry clip. Nice retention on it. Open construction. A little stiff. Blade centering is not too bad. Maybe favoring the clip side just a hair, maybe. See how the thumb studs work. This knife definitely needs a little bit of fine tuning because it's pretty stiff. But it popped right open with the thumb studs. Closed it with a little bit of extra swing. Opened it up with the access lock, whatever the hell it is. And that's not good. Definitely tight. Got some nice detent. Really strong detent. Nice, and closes hard. Good action with the thumb stud. Got a nice finger troll there with some nice grooves in it. Not a bad looking knife. Starting to loosen up now. Starting to loosen up a little bit now. To give it some slick maul or something. Stainless steel liners. Action is just a little stiff, but it's getting better already, and I already gave you some specs on it. Let's take the stock thickness here, blade stock, 0.1 inches. Handle thickness 0.52 inches. Thickness with the clip 0.68 inches. Blade height 0.8, 0.90 inches. So we can get behind the edge. 0.03 inches. See what the weight is on here. .649 ounces. Action's getting better already. Let's see how sharp this thing is from the factory. Most Ozark trail knives are pretty darn sharp. This one seems to be pretty sharp. Not too bad for a $5 knife. Pretty good fit and finish. Not all our knives are that way. Once in a while you get a bad one, but usually you can take it back and exchange it and get a good one the next time. That's happened to me a few times. Always got it replaced with a good one though. Action's already gotten a lot better. So I approve. $5 Ozark trail knife. Access lock, can't beat it. Great throwaway knife. One you don't have to worry about loaning to somebody, and one you don't have to worry about losing, getting confiscated. Thanks for watching.